Ay, hindi, wala.
JS po namin ngayon. At nasa Manila hotel po kami, last JS ng 4th year. At nakaka-4 na JS na rin kami. Yay! Congrats daw sa amin, sabi ni Ma'am Lani. Yes, Ma'am Lani. At ayan po, nagde-dessert na po kami. Maika, Billy M, Breezy, the beautiful. Wow!
You are very mahusay daw in dancing.
Wow! Of course
Kaso
naman.
lang, we cannot be the best group.
Opo.
Because guys, some cannot dance.
Yeah. Di maganda.
One of the best dancers natin.
Lani, video Ma'am Lani. Ma'am, bati po.
Congratulations, we're so proud of you.
Yay! Sorry.
Tumawa ka lang.
Di pa tayo sa kabilang table. Di pa tayo sa kabilang table kahit hindi ko pa tapos yung dessert ko.
Nandiyan ni si B, ayaw-ayaw pa kung naroon na matende na dali sa ito.
Hello! Bagyo! Timo! Ayan! Eugene! Hello!
May I have your attention please, ladies and gentlemen, since we are now set for our Carney dance.
Yay!
Alright? So our first song is King and Queen of Hearts. We'd like to request the prom King and Queen to lead the juniors and seniors in this song, King and Queen of Hearts. Alright, where is our prom king?
Wala, kumakain ka!
Please take your queen.
Si Michi parang yung anak ni Ma'am Lizardo. Ay! Ni anak ni Ma'am Lira.
So, mula umpisa hanggang kalahati, our prom king and queen will dance to be followed by the rest of the prominator.
Tagir! Gabe.
Okay?
Hello.
Music please. Prom king and queen of hearts. Prom king, Mr. Ben Santos. Where is he?
Hoy!
Nasaan ang ating prom king? Please take your friends to the dance floor.
Hello! Francis!
Mamaya na ang dim light. Prom Queen, Mr. Ben Santos, and Prom Queen, Miss Mary Joyce and Bell.
The Queen of Hearts.
Okay, promenaders, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Take the floor.
Pasaw namin ng Carney dance. Babay na, babay na.
Seniors and seniors.